Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Manny Got Ice, and if you haven't read the title of this video, today I am reviewing my new Moissanite ring from ICEGIANT. I'm so freaking happy to unbox this with you guys and review it, of course. Now I've already opened the package itself, and I ripped off the bubble, like the bubble things that protect it, but I don't know what's inside yet. I haven't taken a look at it. I haven't taken a look at what else does the ring come with. I don't know what it comes with, but I just wanted to keep it like that so that I can unbox it with you guys, and you know what? You can unbox it with me, basically. So we're doing it at the same time. So let's get straight into this. So it was pretty cool to me that it came like this black package. You know, it's different. You know, normally it's like orange, just white. You know what I'm saying? But I already opened the bubble wrap, so now I just haven't seen what's inside actually. So let me take this out first. What is this? Oh, so this is pretty sick actually. So this, if take a quick guess and think what this is. So this is actually it's a little plastic thing of a United States ring size. So it tells you it's from showing you size 6 all the way to size 14, so that if if you had mixed feelings of what size was your ring, you can test out your finger with this. That's actually pretty sick. And on the side here it says love your order question mark. Screenshot us your best reviews online to save at least 35% off on your next order. That's pretty dope. It says real gold, fast shipping, 24/7 support, and lifetime guarantee. That's super sick. I'm definitely gonna use that ring thing because I want to make sure I double check when I buy for my middle finger, because the ring that I actually bought here today, I bought it for my pinky, and that's a size 7. So every other finger is gonna be different, and that little tool right there is definitely gonna help. Now, I've seen this from other videos, which I think this is super dope that they actually give you this. And this is fire. They give you a little bag. So if you wanted to buy this as a gift for your kid or a gift or a friend or anybody in your family, basically, they give you a freaking bag. Who wouldn't want a freaking bag? That's awesome. So you can give this as a gift, and they give you a free bag. So you don't gotta, you know, dive through your house to find a bag or buy one at, I don't know, Walmart, CVS. They give you a bag itself. And honestly, this is super dope by Ice Giant, and I freaking love that. That's actually amazing. It's awesome. So it looks like that's it from the bubble wrap. So now we're in the actual product. So if you could read there, it says Ice Giant, nice and bold, nice and bold, nice little package. Whew. So this is sick. This is super freaking sick. So it gives you like this box, like this jewelry box, in a nice silver kind of color. And what I actually like, the probably the best part, low key for me, is that inside of this box where this carries, there's it's a square, so that instead of this box kind of like going around like this, like banging around, and when it's packaged, it's just gonna lay nice there and it won't move around. So that's honestly smart on them. But I'm gonna open it here. Okay, super nice. So definitely it's not free hanging. So they actually give you a plastic bag, which thank you, so that the ring doesn't get freaking messed up. And then I'm gonna bring up a close up. This is the side. They give you an Ice Giant box, which on the inside, and that's like a nice blue suede kind of thing, and it says Ice Giant in the back. And then actually here, this is like a padded, super padded area. Actually, that's really soft. You guys can see that. Where you could put your ring here. I mean, from the looks of it, you could probably fit maybe 2 or 3 rings in there, definitely for sure. But that's super awesome. All right, let me put this down here. Now I'm gonna take out the ring because I've been dying to wear this. Now shipping. This did come all the way from China. Now you may be thinking it's gonna take months. It took 12 days. 12 days. This is super fire, super quick shipping. Especially because I know it's not coming from USA, it's coming from China. So 12 days is low key tough. And oh my god. Size 7 is perfect. Holy moly. This ring is super, super fire. I mean, it just looks insane. So this is the iced out Moissanite, the barbed wire ring. Um, I just like the minimalistic look. And you know what? Since it for being my first Moissanite ring, I kind of wanted not to spend the most money on it and see if I enjoyed it. And I can tell you, I definitely enjoy it. Now I do want to show you guys the shine test up close. So let's see how this shines under light. I haven't seen it yet. It's shining pretty good right now, but I definitely do want to see what it looks like in light, and so you guys can see what it looks like too. So let's do the shine test on this Moissanite ring. All right, so this is my barbed wire ring from ICEGIANT. You can tell it has a nice little barbed wire, but let's see the shine test on this. And oh my God, this thing is shining like crazy. What I'm telling you, look at that shine. Look at that shine. That's just crazy. And the light here isn't the greatest. It's just my flash, but definitely in the sun, it should look amazing. I freaking love this product already, and I mean, I can't wait to wear this in public. Definitely, this is gonna take my outfits, take my look to a whole nother level. Heck yeah. So I don't know about you guys, but that shine test is freaking phenomenal, freaking amazing. So this is my first Moissanite piece. And I'm ready to start investing in some more pieces. Definitely my the next thing I want to do is get a chain Moissanite, regardless if it's a tennis chain or a Cuban. Definitely want to get the Moissanite bracelet. It's just Moissanite, the more I've learned about it, the more I've been fascinated with how it's like 30 times cheaper than diamonds, but you could get that same look, that same shine, and the same quality too, because this stuff lasts lifetime. And the only difference is that a diamond is rated 10 on the hardness scale, while Moissanite's rated on the 9.25 hardness scale. That's the only difference. But now back to this ring. So this ring is I believe it's silver. It was 925 silver, and over it is white gold. Um, and I don't know the carats on the Moissanite. It doesn't stay on the website, and I'm assuming that's because there's not much here. But on other bigger pieces of the rings, you could definitely it'll tell you the carats on it. But the barbed wire in this ring is so simple, so clean. It's like it's something that like you want to be a little flashy, but not overly flashy. Because I could have gone with a Moissanite star ring that's yay high, pointing out freaking higher like this, and it's fat, nice ring, dude. That's shining to Mars. But for my first piece, I freaking love it, and I mean, just right now in like some okay lighting, it's shining tremendously. I freaking love this ring. I love it with a passion. It just looks amazing on my pinky, and I can't wait to keep adding more. ICEGIANT, like they did amazing. I don't know. You guys are amazing. I don't know if this is like machine made or whatever in China, but definitely $41. Such a steal, such a steal, including all the other rings. I mean, they have $100 ones that are definitely bigger, more designs, cool designs, more carat moissanites, and they're still 40% off. Something like that's 110 can be $60. It's definitely worth it, and I would invest in it. And I would just tell you guys the ICEGIANT is definitely the place to go for rings. You know what I'm saying? This is quality, quality, quality to me, from the ring itself to the box. This box is phenomenal. Like this is like some next level, like real diamond ring box. So if you guys watch this whole video, I freaking appreciate it. We're gonna have more reviews coming soon. My next videos, I'm gonna be reviewing Harlem bling items. I'm super excited for that. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment if you guys want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing night. And Manny got ice out.